In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use rulers and guides. Rulers and guides are simple tools that make precise alignment fast and stress-free. They don't print, they won't export, and they exist purely to help you line things up with confidence. Think of rulers as your on-screen measuring tape and guides as movable reference lines you place exactly where you need alignment. First, let's turn on the rulers. Go to the View menu and enable rulers. You'll see measurement bars appear along the top and left edges of your workspace. These are your visual anchors. If your canvas looks busy, take a second to zoom in or center your content so you can clearly see where those rulers sit. That makes the next steps much easier. Now create your first guide. Move your cursor up to the top ruler, click and drag down onto the canvas. As you pull, a thin horizontal line follows your cursor. Let go to drop it exactly where you want. This is your horizontal guide, perfect for aligning headings, buttons, or any elements that share a common top or baseline. Next, create a vertical guide. Go to the left ruler, click and drag to the right. Release to place the vertical guide at the precise position you need. Using horizontal and vertical guides together gives you a reliable grid to align edges, centers, or margins. If you're trying to align multiple items, drop a pair of guides to create a clean corner and use that intersection as your reference point. You can reposition any guide at any time. Hover over the guide until your cursor indicates you can move it, then click and drag to a new spot. For more control, zoom in before dragging so small movements translate into precise placement. As you arrange elements, you'll often feel objects magnetically aligned to these guides, which helps you hit exact edges without guessing. When you're finished or want a fresh start, go back to the View menu and choose Clear Guides. This instantly removes all guides from your canvas, leaving you with a clean workspace. If you change your mind later, just turn back to the rulers and drag out new guides the same way. That's it. By enabling rulers, dragging out horizontal and vertical guides, moving them as needed, and clearing them when you're done, you'll work faster and with far more precision. Practice these moves a few times, and alignment will become second nature every time you design or lay out a page.